In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Bloom Boutique discount codes in 2024. So this is pretty simple and let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Bloom Boutique discount codes. Right here, you should be able to find this website, which is called Coupon Flow, and I recommend you to use this one. And as you can see right here, we have plenty of deals that we can choose from. And for example, if you want to select this one with 10% off, simply select your coupon code, and this is your discount code that you can use on your next purchase in order to get that discount. And if you scroll down a little bit right here, you can also see this website, which is voucher codes. And if you go to that website, we also have right here plenty of deals and discount codes that we can choose from. And for example, if you want to get this deal right here, simply select the option Get Sale, and you'll have to select Continue to Bloom Boutique, and you will be redirected to the website, and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.